Bitcoin optimism is still high even though we're back to trading sideways. Dao Maker is making its way as a top name in NFTs. Celo picks up new steam with a $20 million fund. Axie Infinity is playing catch up after a huge drop in users. Intel is making Bitcoin mining greener, and Opulous is changing the music industry's tune where everybody gets paid. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz. Altcoin Buzz is a crypto investing research company, so we're here to bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And as early investors in the crypto space, we have an eye for potential opportunities that we want to share with you. Access Pro is a hub for direct info on early gems, technical analysis, NFT mint opportunities, and more for only $99 a month. Head to the link below to get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you're always up to date. Just keep in mind that this is not investment advice. So let's get to the news. Bitcoin is back in the wait and see game as it continues to cling to $45,000. The optimism is still high as BTC is retesting the 200-day moving average as support for the first time in 190 days. Apparently, the last time an event like this happened, Bitcoin rallied 66% for a month and a half after the fact. And with this latest price action and the fact that traders have been gobbling up the currency, this test at 45K could be short-lived. And elsewhere, Canada is showing huge interest in Bitcoin as the outflow of BTC from exchanges has hit a yearly high, and the same goes for purchases to Canadian Bitcoin ETFs, which is always a good sign of investor confidence. Dao Maker is taking its token know-how to the metaverse with its own NFT Launchpad. The platform is not holding back either. Dao Maker says it intends to be the top dog in the NFT space. And Dao already has a few collections locked down that could have a fan base of billions of people each. But other than that, Dao Maker is keeping this launch very close to the chest. And that we'll have to wait and see if the hype is real on April 6th when the NFT Launchpad gets rolled out. Celo has been bucking the sideways trend in the market and rallying hard over the last week. Celo tokens are riding a 35% pump in the last 7 days, finding a 3-month high of $5.22 and growing its market cap to over $2 billion. But the Layer 1 smart contract protocol may be getting a second wind. At its Celo Connect conference in Barcelona this week, the Celo Foundation announced a $20 million Connect the World initiative fund to help push mass crypto adoption and payment options. Axie Infinity is trying to avoid a downward spiral as it's been bleeding a huge loss in users since December. According to recent data from Sky Mavis, the game has lost about 45% of its daily active users, dropping to 1.48 million at the end of March. And the $625 million hack heard around the world hasn't helped either, but Axie is still pushing forward as it prepares for the big launch of Axie Infinity Origin on April 7th, which could help bring back former and create new users as this version of the game is built on improving gameplay and removing barriers to make it easier for new players to join. Intel is leveling up Bitcoin mining with its new heavy-duty chip, the Intel Blockscale ASIC. And this ASIC, or Application-Specific Integrated Circuit, will give miners a more energy-efficient hashing option to work on proof-of-work networks. The second-generation Bitcoin mining chip can run a hash rate of 580 gigahash per second on only 5 to 23 watts of power. The new chip can also be connected in a mining unit, adding some peace of mind to the proof-of-work energy efficiency concern, and the chip also has smart sensors to read on-chip temperature, voltage sensing, and more. These babies will finally roll out into the market sometime in this year's third quarter. And lastly, Opulous is changing the tune of finance in the music industry. The platform is bringing DeFi to creators and musicians by changing the way artists can access funding that they need and offering an NFT launchpad for new music. And it's giving creators and supporters lucrative pieces of the same pie, which is unheard of. Now, Opulous is taking off at the right time, as music NFTs have grown into one of the biggest crypto spaces. Now, Opal tokens have surged over 100% in 30 days, even taking another leap of gains after last week's Grammys, which would be a very happy coincidence. So, Opal season is in full effect and claiming more space every day as its SNFT market continues to grow and sell out albums and songs and add DeFi and staking to the band. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. Can Axie Infinity turn things around with its origin drop? And how do you think Opulous can change the game for musicians and creators? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified on our latest videos. And have a look at the other updates and deep dives on our channel. Here's some videos to get started with. And as always, this is not financial advice, but we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.